I'm Eric Jurgensen with the Division of Public Safety. Classroom lockdown buttons are being activated in select building locations. I'm here to explain when to push the button, how to push the button, and when not to. These buttons are for imminent, life-threatening emergencies, such as an active attacker, the sound of gunfire, screams for help, or someone brandishing a weapon. If you believe there is an immediate threat to your life, push the button. When you should not push it, for medical emergencies, fires, or any non-violent concerns, dial 911. Here's how it works. Lift the plastic cover. An alarm sounds. Then press the red button. All closed classrooms and exterior building doors lock immediately. Police dispatch is notified automatically, and officers respond right away. Only law enforcement can unlock the space. After activation, move away from doors and windows. Stay quiet and follow run, hide, fight procedures until law enforcement arrives. Thank you for joining this training. If you have questions, reach out to the Division of Public Safety. Be safe, be bolder.